We install the StarLine S9 system directly into the vehicle's CAN bus, securing the doors and the engine bay for total protection.
Authorization from StarLine. So this normally means that you need a driver ID tag to be able to disarm the system fully. You can actually use a PIN code as well, so you can use either or you can have it just on PIN code, or you can have it just on tag. So the choice is absolutely yours. Most people have it on tag and PIN code for convenience. So in case there's a problem with the tag, you can quickly enter a PIN code using the buttons available on your network. As soon as you lock the vehicle, this being a keyless system is subject to a relay attack. This key actually doesn't go to sleep. Some of the Fords do, but this one I've tested for my customer and it stays awake. So he is actually subject to a relay attack at any time. So he knows this. This is why he's got the StarLine system. So when we unlock it now and get in the vehicle, this now activates what we call authorization of the StarLine. So it's looking for a tag or it's looking for a PIN code. So it will allow you to start the vehicle. You can hear it counting down, getting quicker. It'll start putting the hazards on and then it'll go full alarm if we don't pass authorization. We've also got two blue lights to show us we need to enter our code. So I'm going to enter the customer's demo code. I've entered the code. It's disarmed the system. Now we can drive off safely. Select gear, put it back in park, and we're all passed. So this is the layer of authorization, and this is before immobiliser mode. So next, after authorization, is what we call immobiliser mode. So get in the vehicle. It's past authorization for the alarm to go off because we have the tag. I've now got it on tag present and not just a PIN code. So we've passed authorization. We've now gone to what we call immobiliser mode. So at the moment, immobiliser mode is using PIN code because we've got an extra layer on called risky parking. So the tag at the moment is not going to start this vehicle, but we can have it just on tag as well for more convenience, but higher security. So vehicle will go to ready. Two solid blue lights to let us know basically that this system is fully protected. So if I select gear, kills the system. So now we locked out temporarily. This has now activated an SMS and a phone call to my customer. So it's alerting him that the immobiliser has been activated. And also if he's made a mistake because he hasn't entered the PIN code, or if he didn't have his tag with him, it's letting him know the reason why. So if the battery was gone in the tag, it would let him know there's no tag present. You've activated the immobiliser. So it will allow you to restart again. If I try to select gear, it will go to full trigger alarm. So you only get one go at it. Second time it's going to go to full alarm system. So two solid blue lights to let us know it's immobilised. I'll enter the customer's demo code. We'll get a double flash. And now when we select gear, it'll stay running, nice and safe. Back into park, and then when we switch it off a minute later, it'll automatically put this layer back on. So if you forgot to lock the vehicle, you're completely protected. And if you lock it, you're protected straight away.
Introducing the StarLine S9 alarm. It features advanced GPS tracking, smartphone connectivity, and keyless convenience. Protect your vehicle with StarLine S9.